Goosebumps right now. Yo, it's amazing. I'm loving it.
BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pokhara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pokhara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-Nom and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Paul Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pokhara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Deck doors opening now.
Hurry. All recruits to transport. No need for safety gear. It'll be a smooth ride. Deck is in motion. Halting to transport.
Just a few moments.
Initiate replay sequence on Deck 3 for Pokhara.
Good luck out there. General and all of us here at the Resistance are counting on you. You see her, make sure you send one off and allow the
Deck 3, you're clear for launch.
Alright, this is it. Let's go. Right this way, recruits. Let's go.
I'm getting a high reading on the fuel pressure line. That's better. Check the binary motivator. Yes, I just want to be sure.
All recruits must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds.
Good. Yes, check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Good. Airspeed sensor? Thank you, 9-Nom. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. The engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. More ships. Launch. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company! First order TIE fighters! Reroute! Reroute! Alright, True Blue Flag, we gotta clear a path so transport can make the jump! They're all over us! I'm hit!
We lost round 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake him, Blue!
I'm trying.
We lost Blue 5! I'm gonna try to draw him away!
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready, you won't have much time!
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers.
Get out of there!
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll get some friends and make us a fair fight! Don't worry, I'll come back for you! Stay strong!
Is there anything we can do, Nina? No, the tractor beam will be too strong. It's worth a shot. Full reverse.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves. Prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want a location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Attention all on board! You've been marked an enemy of the First Order. You have the location of the Resistance base, and you will give it to us. On my command, you will gather all personal possessions and head to a detention cell. Now off this ship! Yes, sir.
Yeah, I know, right? I don't know about fun, but...
We just got talking.
Is this terrifying? Oh my gosh, I got my hands. I'm pretty sure.
Not because it's terrifying.
Are you guys running together or separate? Are you the same network?
How many? One.
You're the longest volunteer. How many? Two?
There is a truss. It's a small. It's a small, but it's a truss. I mean, you said you don't like truss. How many? I know, but you'll be on orange for interrogation. How many? Just one. You'll be on orange. You'll be with him on orange. And you will be on white. Please shift down White, single file, please. All right. Once the interrogation door opens, blue squad, then red squad, then white and orange. Those are your interrogation orders. Please remember your comments.
So we'll probably get the exact same experience. What's that? So we'll probably get a part of these. Oh, they got to go again. Well, I was also on my line. Were you?
Oh, okay.
So we got to go again just to get a different exposure.
White and then orange. And please do not forget your interrogation color. White.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order, we will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We'll need it on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
With an attack force. Get to the escape pods now!
Listen, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't... Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. We're a breach in 213.
Your cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detention block breach. Prisoners not seen on land and sea. There they are! Fire! Recover, recruits! These things are just fools! Take the bridge down! Hurry! Hurry! No, not up! I'm set down! Existing equipment authorization.
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're Resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know, Stafford's pocket.
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo!